Let's talk about the key features of Distrokid. In the game of music marketing, strategy is everything. You can learn as a beginner how music distribution works, how to build your brand, and how to use YouTube as a marketing platform for your music. Welcome, Music Meeples. We are here to learn about how to market our music on YouTube. In this video, we are going to be covering three things. First, we're going to talk about what Distrokid even is. Second, we're going to talk about how to sign up for an account. And then third, if you stick around till the end, I will show you how the actual release process works. I will show you what that interface looks like so that you can decide if Distrokid is the right platform for you. Okay, Meeples, let's get into it. So today, we are going to look at just one option for music distribution, and that is Distrokid. Let's talk about the key features of Distrokid. The number one feature is obviously music distribution. You upload your music to Distrokid and then they will then distribute it to different platforms like Spotify, Amazon Music, YouTube Music, Apple Music, and so many more. At its most basic level, what Distrokid does, it takes your music and distributes it worldwide to digital stores and streaming services. The next key feature of Distrokid is release management. Distrokid allows artists to upload and manage their songs, albums, and cover art, making the entire release process pretty seamless. The next very important feature of Distrokid is royalty collection management. Distrokid will help make sure that you are getting the royalties that you deserve for that music. So Distrokid collects the royalties from streaming platforms and distributes them directly to the artist, ensuring they get paid for their music. The next key feature of Distrokid is copyright management. Oftentimes, artists will want to perform a cover song, and Distrokid can help make sure that you get the proper license to do it in the right way. And the last key feature of Distrokid is analytics. When you release your music on Distrokid, it collects data on where it's being distributed, how often it's being listened to, what are the most popular streams, what types of songs are people interested in, and that is one of the key features to helping your music grow. If you can look at the analytics of what's doing well, you can make more music that's going to sell. One other thing that I really love about Distrokid is that it does have an option to directly link with YouTube and an official artist page. This is where my expertise comes in. I love working with artists to really help maximize their growth using YouTube. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, and it's operated by Google, the number one search engine in the world. And so if you want to be found, you want to be on YouTube. I just want to let you know I'm going to be posting new videos every Monday all about music distribution, building your brand, and ranking your music on YouTube. So if this is something that interests you, please hit subscribe. In fact, I'll give you a chance to do that right now. How about we take 5 seconds? Go ahead, find the little subscribe button. Did you do it? Awesome, thank you, I really appreciate it. Go ahead and hit the like button while you're at it. Okay, let's get actually into Distrokid. Let's set up a new Distrokid account together. Before we get to that last step of where to actually go to get your first stream live, I just want to let you know I do have a guide in the description of this video that really breaks down all of the basics of music distribution. It's got definitions, it's got lists of platform options, it talks about what is a YouTube official artist channel, everything. If you need it in writing, it is in the description. Just follow that link and I will email that to you. Okay, so very last thing, we are going to look at actually sending out our first release. So you're going to upload your music. There are some important checkboxes here before you release it. Make sure you read through all these. There are some interesting things here that you want to pay attention to. Notice the very first one says, I selected YouTube Music. So once you submit your song, if you had YouTube Music selected way back up at the top, then it is going to create a new YouTube channel for you and put your album on there. And if you don't want that, you need to unselect YouTube. Again, this gets a little tricky, and so that is why I have a job, basically, because artists want to have better control over what their music looks like on YouTube. And so If you are interested in figuring out that relationship, keep watching this channel, hit subscribe, and I'll go more in depth into what that means. So that was Distrokid, but there are a lot of other options out there. So now let's take a look at one of those options.